Hi everyone, this is Jenny from Jenny's DIY Studio, and today I'm going to show you how to do this crochet heart. As you see, I left a long tail just in case you want to do something with it, but you can also cut it and it can be an application to a hat or a headband or even a hair accessory, because you can put on the back a pin. Okay, so let's get started. First, you will need a hook, some yarn, your preference yarn. Remember that the yarn has to be with the hook a size appropriate, and you will need also some scissors. Okay, so for this one, I use the magic circle, and if I want to do it the same way, I'm gonna leave it a tail. And for the magic circle, I always do 2 loops because I like the center to be strong. If I do 1, when I pull it, it can break, but for me, I always love doing 2 loops. Okay, so I do 2. Grab my hook and I start with a chain. Then I do 1 single crochet. Now I go up again, I do a half double crochet, and now I'm gonna do 5 double crochets. 1, this is 2, this one is 3, and this one is 4. This part will give me the side of the heart until the bottom. Now for the end point here, it has to be bigger, so it gives us that B shape. That will be the treble crochet. That means that we're gonna do 1, 2 loops, go inside like we're do the double crochet, but this one is gonna be the treble. So it's 1, 2, and the last one. See, that is taller. Now we're going to do the other half. So it's 5 double crochets again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and remember we're going to start going down to the center of the top again. So we did 5 double crochet. Now we're doing the half double crochet. We're doing the single crochet and the slip stitch, and then 1 chain so that we can cut the yarn. Okay, and I'm not gonna cut it right now because I like to cut it when I pull the center. I like to cut it the same length. See that they're the same, so that if I want to put some beads or do something with it, so I have the same length on both sides. Okay, so that part I'm gonna cut it later. Okay, so let me put this on the side. And for the center, as you see, it's open. So what I do, put this on the side, I pull a little bit the strand from the center to know which one of these 2 I'm gonna pull first. Okay, so this one is the one that is pulling first, so I pull that one. And see how it is grabbing the form. And depending on how do you like it, if you like it like with a little hole or if you want it close, I like it close. So you can leave it there and then pull the strand again, or you can pull it until it's totally closed. I like it closed, so I'm gonna keep on pulling And see, it's totally closed. Now I grab my tail and I pull it, so this one is gonna get pulled. There it is. And see, it's closed, and you can pull your stitches so that you see how it came out. See, and this is the heart. Now here I have already my tail, so now I am gonna cut. I put my finger here so I don't pull it, and I'm gonna cut here. Okay, and now I can pull the yarn out and pull it so it's safe, and now it's done. And see, now here, you see how it goes up, then all around, and at the end here it has like a B because we have the treble crochet here. That's the biggest one, and see, that's the one that is giving us the pointy side of the heart, and this is the side of the heart. Okay, see, it looks cute. So with this one you can cut it here like I said, or you can do whatever you want with it. Put it on hats, on headbands, use it as a hairpiece. Okay, hope this tutorial helped you for your lovely crochet projects, even for Valentine's Day, now that we're almost at February. And now I know people get crazy with doing things with hearts. So drop me in the comments below if you have any questions, maybe something that I didn't explain right. Remember to also subscribe to my channel and to hit the bell so that you can get notifications on my next video. Okay, and hope to see you soon in the next video. Bye.